What is regenerative agriculture? Here at LaBelle Patrimoine, it's the approach we use to raise our chickens, grown on managed pasture, and where farm and chicken waste are processed and composted, returning to the soil to improve the health of the land. We see healthy soil as the foundation of everything we do and the key to a sustainable future. Unlike conventional farming practices that often deplete the soil of essential nutrients, our approach focuses on building healthy soil. We do this in a variety of ways, such as promoting diverse cover crops, reducing tillage, and incorporating crop rotations. These help create an ecosystem where the soil works in harmony with nature. Each of our chicken houses have monitored water management meter systems. Coupled with individual farmer flock management, these meters help to ensure our birds are getting the appropriate nourishment without causing environmental health challenges that could affect the welfare of our birds. Our pastures also decreased wastewater that causes soil erosion and carbon loss while improving soil percolation and clean water drainage. These water management processes improve filtration, biodiversity growth, and clean water absorption. We partner with our farmers on pasture management practices, which include planting and growing a variety of grasses, trees, and wild native plant growth. This approach helps with biodiversity as well as provides protection for our chickens from the elements. Additionally, composting is the process of turning organic waste into nutrient-rich compost that improves the soil fertility and structure. By recycling organic matter back into the soil, we help foster a more sustainable and resilient farming system. Composting not only helps to reduce waste, but also enhances the quality of the soil, making essential nutrients available to plants, which in turn gives our chickens healthy pastures where they can forage as nature intended. We do this both at our farms as well as at our processing facilities, where we are building one of the largest indoor composting buildings on the East Coast. Our final approach is carbon management. We minimize carbon production by using local farm supply services, including fuel-efficient service tech vehicles, solar energy when available, and the most direct transportation routes to harvest. For example, instead of relying on conventional feed sources that often require shipping across hundreds of miles, we source our feed from local farms that are located within our communities. Approaches like this allow us to limit our carbon production activities. The pasture and proper biodiversity we provide allows for isolated carbon improvements at our grower farms as well. By improving the biological landscape, we also improve the overall carbon footprint, allowing for intercrop planting to thrive for bees and other beneficial insects. With all these approaches, we believe they just make sense for raising chickens and for agriculture in general. We are excited to announce that we are now USDA approved regenerative.